What's the meaning of American Idol? American Idol. American Idol. American Idol. American Idol. American Idol.
American Idol is a popular singing competition television show that originated in the United States and has since been adapted in other countries. The show features amateur singers who compete for a recording contract and a cash prize. The contestants are judged by a panel of music industry experts, and the winner is determined through public voting. The show has launched the careers of several successful artists, including Kelly Clarkson, Carrie Underwood, and Adam Lambert. Overall, American Idol is an influential platform for aspiring singers and has had a significant impact on the music industry.